Herbal syrups stand at the crossroads of traditional herbal medicine and culinary art, providing a delicious way to incorporate the healing powers of herbs into daily life. These syrups combine the potent benefits of herbal extracts with the soothing, sweet properties of syrup, offering an appealing and effective method to consume herbs. They are especially popular among those who find the taste of herbal teas or tinctures less palatable. What are herbal syrups? Herbal syrups are concentrated liquids made from herbs infused into a water-based decoction. After straining the herbs, the liquid is combined with sugar or honey, which acts as a preservative and sweetener. This process enhances the shelf life of the herbal benefits and makes the extracts more enjoyable to take. Why we use them? Herbal syrups are not only favored for their flavor, but also for their versatility and efficacy in delivering herbal benefits. They are particularly useful for managing colds and flu, soothing sore throats, calming coughs, and boosting immunity. In addition, a sweet herbal syrup tends to be more palatable to children. A notable advantage of herbal syrups is their ability to render certain herbs safe for consumption that are otherwise problematic, such as elderberries. Raw elderberries contain compounds that can be toxic, but when cooked into a syrup, these harmful components are neutralized, allowing safe and beneficial consumption. When and how we use them? Herbal syrups can be used throughout the year, but are particularly beneficial during cold and flu season when immune support is crucial. They are easy to incorporate into daily routines. You can take them alone by the spoonful, mix them into hot water or tea, or drizzle them over pancakes, yogurt, or oatmeal for a nutritious boost. How to create herbal syrups? Please note, this video is for educational purposes only, and it's not designed to diagnose, treat, or cure any ailment, illness, or disease. Creating herbal syrups at home is a straightforward process. Choose your herbs. Decide on the herbs based on the benefits you seek. Common choices include elderberry for immune support, ginger for digestive health, and thyme for respiratory wellness. Make an herbal decoction. Combine your chosen herbs with water in a pot. Bring to a boil and simmer until the volume is reduced by about half. This concentrates the extract. Strain and measure. Strain the herbs from the liquid, then measure the liquid. For every cup of herbal decoction, add approximately 1 cup of honey or sugar. Dissolve and preserve. Gently heat the mixture just enough to dissolve the sweetener, avoiding boiling to preserve the beneficial properties of the honey, if using. Bottle and store. Pour the syrup into clean, sterilized jars. Store in the refrigerator to extend its shelf life up to 6 months. Recipes. Elderberry syrup for immune system support, antiviral properties, anti-inflammatory effect, respiratory health, and antioxidant benefits. Ingredients: 1 cup fresh or 1/2 cup dried elderberries, 3 cups water, 1 cup honey, optional, cinnamon stick, cloves, and ginger for flavor. Directions: simmer elderberries with water and optional spices until the liquid reduces by half. Strain the berries and spices, mix in honey with the liquid while still warm and store in the refrigerator. Ginger syrup recipe to aid in digestive health, anti-inflammatory effects, immune support, circulatory health, pain relief, antioxidant properties, and provides a soothing effect on sore throats. Ingredients: 1 cup fresh ginger root, sliced, 4 cups water, 1 cup honey or sugar. Directions: boil ginger slices in water until it reduces to about 2 cups. Strain out the ginger, add honey or sugar to the liquid, and gently heat until dissolved. Cool and store. Herbal syrups offer a delightful and effective way to harness the therapeutic powers of herbs. With the simplicity of preparation and the pleasure of consumption, they make an excellent addition to both the medicinal cabinet and the kitchen pantry. Whether used for health promotion or culinary delight, herbal syrups blend tradition and taste into each spoonful, offering a sweet dose of wellness for everyone in the family.